The other side of this universe is receiving thrown trash from the other universe. This intriguing concept touches on several fascinating areas of theoretical physics, philosophy, and science fiction. While our current scientific understanding suggests that our universe is closed, meaning matter cannot easily enter from an outside source, your premise opens the door to some compelling speculative scenarios. Scientific perspectives on trash between universes. In physics, the idea of interaction between universes usually relies on models like the multiverse theory or brane cosmology. Here is how that might look. The brane world hypothesis. In string theory, our entire universe could be a three-dimensional brane membrane floating in a higher dimensional space called the bulk. If there are other branes near ours, gravity, the only force capable of leaking across dimensions, might pull matter or energy from one to another. The problem of entropic trash. If a universe were to receive matter from another, it would violate the law of conservation of mass and energy within our local system. The universe receiving the trash would suddenly see a localized spike in mass, which would likely have catastrophic gravitational effects on the stars and galaxies nearby. Black holes as trash chutes. A popular theory suggests that black holes might be gateways to other dimensions or universes, a white hole at the other end. If trash were thrown into a black hole, it would be compressed beyond recognition, potentially emerging in a different state of matter on the other side. The philosophical implications. If we view this metaphorically or through the lens of speculative fiction, the idea of universal trash suggests a breakdown of isolation, environmental responsibility. What happens if the other side becomes tired of our refuse? If the universe is a closed system, then sending trash elsewhere is simply shifting the entropy problem. It implies that at some point, the universe doing the dumping will have to account for the energy required to throw it away. Cosmic pollution. If one universe is literally dumping its discarded matter into another, it suggests that the two universes are not just adjacent, but connected in a way that suggests a hierarchy or a parasitic. You might consider the cultural impact. Does the other side worship the trash as gifts from the heavens, or do they see it as an act of cosmic war? The artifacts. Imagine a protagonist on the receiving end finding a piece of trash that is actually a functioning piece of technology, a smartphone, a satellite, or a lost probe that provides them with a glimpse into our reality. The retrieval. What if someone from our universe accidentally got thrown out with the trash and is now trying to signal back home? This is a really provocative thought experiment. It feels like a dark take on the idea of one man's trash is another man's treasure, but on a scale that defies space and time.